What's the meaning of chemotherapy? Chemotherapy. Chemotherapy.
Chemotherapy. Chemotherapy. Chemotherapy is a medical treatment that uses drugs to kill rapidly dividing cancer cells in the body. The drugs can be given to patients through an injection, pill, or intravenously in a clinic or hospital. Although chemotherapy is effective in reducing or eliminating cancer cells, it can also cause several side effects such as hair loss, fatigue, nausea, vomiting, and weakened immunity. The success of chemotherapy depends on various factors such as the type and stage of cancer, the health of the patient, and how well the patient can tolerate the treatment.